everyone, and welcome to trying to have some fun with some clay. So this is my leftovers from last week that I just mushed all together and then ran through the machine. And this is some green that I took out, and I tried putting foil on it to do something and it didn't work right, so I mushed it all together and squished and mushed and then ran it through the machine, and it's made this really cool, if you can see that, pattern in the green. And so what I thought I'd do with this is I'd get some more of the foil out, because why not? One wasn't actually on purpose, but you know, this could be on purpose to do it this time. And I think instead of using the gold this time, I will get out the silver, because, you know, why not? Try something different. And what I want to do is similar to what I did with that green, and that is I'm going to take some foil and get this sheet out of here, and I'm going to lay it on there and press it nicely, give it a nice burnish down so it sticks. And I'll peel off a lot of this extra because we don't need it. Not worried about it being perfect, because the next step we're going to do is sort of what we did with that, and we're just going to sit here and I'll make sure I get the blade here right, and we're just going to cut this and layer and layer. And I'm not worried about whether it's all the same size, because we're gonna cut and smush and cut, and I want to work that foil into the clay, so it doesn't really matter if it looks right or not. And we're gonna smush it some more. Because our objective here is to mix the colors together and mix the foil in. And we're going to run that through the machine and see what comes out. Who knows? It may look awful. It may look cool. If it doesn't look good, we'll throw it through the machine again. Oh, that's sort of cool. Look at that. Look at the stripes in that. Oh, sorry, I put the foil in a bad place. All right, that's getting there. Sort of like it. I think all the colors are blending a little too much. I'm gonna fold it up, mush it some more, and run it one more time. Oh, now see there, I like that. Okay, I got some nice lines going here with the foil all in it. Ooh, I have to clean that up. All right, now let's get some cutters out. Okay, cool. All right, I'm gonna put away my leftovers. I'm gonna take this all up to bake and we'll see what we end up with. Hang in there. Okay, all of these are baked, the ones you watched me make and the ones you didn't watch me make. And now we're gonna get out our UV resin. We're gonna put a coat of resin on everybody, and I'm going to show you my putting resin on the first set, and then I'll probably pause it while I get the rest of them going, and then I'll show you the results at the end. I'm going to zoom you in a little, if I can, so that you can see this a little better. Okay, so we're going to start on these, and I'm hoping that when the UV resin hits, especially these black ones, that the colors that are in there perk up a good bit. So we will see. Got my little silicone tool here that's going to help me push my resin around, and we'll see what they look like. Okay, we have a nice coat of UV resin on each of these. And I'm not sure how well you can see in this light, but wow, did they sparkle up. I'm really loving that bronze and sunshine yellow mixed with the rose gold. And even these ones that are very dark are really looking cool. All right, we're going to put the findings on these and then we'll have final results. Okay, I have the final results. It took me a while to get all those findings on, but oh, didn't they come out pretty? I don't think you can see these, so it's hard to get the light right. But I think they really came out very, very, very pretty. Let me see if I can get the light over on this side now. There we go, that's better. Oh, this was fun. This was sort of like turning your failure into something pretty. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of Friday with Friends, so please check the description box for any links. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend.